Alright, today I wanted to make a quick short little video on how to install the rear handbrake from MKstunts on a 2017 Honda Grom. First of all, it's easy. Plain Jane easy. It's simple. I already have it installed. I'm not going to take it apart and redo it. I'm just going to tell you how I did it, run you through the steps where I ran it, how I did it. So first off, this is it right here. It's not that bad looking. Looks just like that one over there on that side. You know, it's not the greatest look according to some people, whatnot, but it's pretty simple. It come pretty much already put together. All you need was an 8mm socket to put it on. I had to take this off and reroute it. Didn't really reroute it all that much. Just kind of took it apart and then zip tied it around the bar. Took my middle brace out so that I can get better angle on it, because for a while it was higher up. Like you can see right here, it's kind of level with the bar now. A lot of people like theirs down and whatnot. It's whatever fits your comfortability and how much you plan on modifying your bars, but it's pretty simple. I took the plastics off, this whole plastic, this side and that side, and then it kind of frees up. It frees up all this in here. It makes it like more mobile, like you can move it more and get it out of the way. So I took the line that comes off of it and I ran it right in there and over the air box. Ran it over the air box, and then this plastic of course was off, so I ran it down into the side. Here it comes down right here, you can see it, and it comes over all this. Zip tied it right here, and then bam, it's right there. Comes with the bracket. This is the bracket. You take the axle nut off, slide that on, bolt it down, make sure everything's how you like it, and then of course these two Allen screws here to hold it on. Slides right over. Didn't have to bleed it or anything. It come with brake fluid in it already. So for like an easy, cheap way to go for a handbrake, I would definitely recommend the MKstunts, which is what this is, MKstunts handbrake. It's $125, but all in all, it's not a bad little system. It's perfect for what I'm using it for. It's not your high dollar, high end levers and setup and reservoir and all that, brake lines and whatnot, but it functions. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for something that functions and was cheap and that was suitable for what I'm using it for, and MKstunts definitely come through for that. So like I said, it's pretty simple. It clamps on right here. I took this off, scooted my lever over, scooted that to where I liked it. Now I had to take a little piece that was right here off, some little black piece that was right there because it was hitting up against my clutch lever. So I took that off. I freed up some room to get them closer to each other. Some people might not like that, but that's what I wanted. That's what fits me. And then let's see, there's one more thing that I wanted to take off or cut off that was kind of in the way of angling it, and that was this little stopper right here. I wanted to either grind that off or cut it off, but you can see it kind of hits the bars a little bit. So I definitely want to cut that off. That way I can get it to go, the brake lever to go down a little bit more. Because right here, it's not too bad, but transitioning isn't really a problem for me when I'm riding. So it works. For $125, a full brake system for a rear handbrake, MKstunts is definitely the way to go. So I would definitely recommend that for the bang for your buck, pretty much. And after that, my stand-up wheelies, I got a lot more confident with them. I didn't mind standing the bike all the way up. I know I hover my finger over it when I do, so when I'm doing them, you know, I hover my finger over it like I said, and I just pump it when I'm getting too far back or whatnot. But it's definitely saved me quite a few times, so I definitely recommend it. But I just wanted to make today's video about that because I've been needing to make that video for a while now. So that's pretty much it. It's the MKstunts rear handbrake. I've had it on there for a little while now. That's why the bike's all dirty and it's all dirty, but Everything, the lines are pretty much zip tied out of the way. They don't get in the way of the bars. This zip tie does, but that's besides the fact. But you can see where I ran, well, that's the clutch, but you can see where I ran it, straight down, straight through here, up and over, and down the side. Pretty simple. You turn the bars all the way, either way. Doesn't get in the way of anything. Let's see, you can see it there. Like I said, it just goes down the side of the bike. You see it right there. Comes over, it goes down. Zip tied it, so it's not in the way. Definitely enjoy it. I didn't feel like paying $500 for some fancy rear handbrake. It's like, whoop-de-doo. I wanted something that worked, that was cheap. So that's what I did. MKstunts was definitely the way to go for me. I'd recommend them if you're trying to stay low budget. And yeah, that's the MKstunts rear handbrake for the Honda Grom. So if you got any questions, anything you want to know, anything I left out, maybe just drop a comment, shoot me a message on Instagram or something, DM me. I'll let you know whatever it is you have a question about. So hope y'all enjoyed that. Hope that was helpful. It's pretty simple, really simple install. It's all it takes is one person. So go get yours and get your Willie game up. It's Riding with Lee. See you on the next one.